It's not rocket science. Ay! What is this? Ooh, Sean. Hi, Aya. Timer starts now. Hi. How's everybody? I miss you all. I miss you all. Kuya, pag nag-toothbrush ba yung Pilipinas, matatanggal yung Cavite. Funny. Teka lang. Screenshot ko yan. I know what. Okay, witty ka dyan. Witty ka dyan. Gusto ko yan. Hello. Where am I, secret? Sobrang funny yun. Pag nag-toothbrush yung Pilipinas, matatanggal ba yung Cavite? Cute. Kain tayo, guys. Yes, Bisaya ako. What's a fun fact about me? Mas nauna akong marunong lumangoy kaysa naglakad. Yeah. Kasi my dad was a diving instructor. And he was a swimmer. Like yun yung sport niya. So, syempre may anak siya, so automatic. Guys, joke lang yon yung kung mag-toothbrush yung ano. Huwag yung seryosohin. What's this? Ay, nawala. Ate Jess, huwag mo ko i-notice. Di na yung absent. Jala, ayaw na yung absent. Advice for those experiencing overthinking. As an overthinker myself, that's so... Let go, release, pray. Surrender. As in, legit, surrender. Don't let your thoughts win you over.
True.
As in, like, wag talaga. Because overthinking kills everything. Kills happiness. Sometimes it breaks friendship. It breaks relationship. It breaks mga moments that you've spent with that person kasi kaka-overthink mo yan. Sometimes it's because you overthink dahil sa lahat ng issues na nangyari sa life mo na you never really moved on from. That's one thing I've learned. Correct me if I'm wrong, di ba? Like,
all the traumas.
All the traumas na hindi mo na let go, all the baggages. Kaya, one thing that I've learned, I don't know who I've learned this from though. So, let me know if artista ba to or, but sabi niya na, don't go into a relationship if hindi ka pa completely heal from your past traumas sa past relationships mo. Kasi kawawa yung ka-relationship mo now. Kasi mapupunta sa kanya, ang dami mong frustrations, ang dami mong overthinking, ang dami mong ganun. Wala pa nga siyang ginagawa pero inuunahan mo na. Kawawa naman. The person. Iyon. And then, let go, surrender, pray. I mean, whatever your is. Depending on who your God is. Or what your beliefs are.
True.
Hi, Jinky. Happy birthday. Guys, ang gulo ng buhok ko. Naligo lang ako and then I woke up and then naligo lang ako. Anong tamayan? Actually, nag-edit ako ng vlog. Oh my gosh! Nag-edit ako ng vlog. It's a Christmas special vlog.
She's getting there.
So, I'm getting there and I'm gonna post it. What day is today? Today's Tuesday. Yes. Oh, I'm posting it. Surprise ko na lang kayo ng teaser. Ayoko nang magsabi ng date. Basta malalaman nyo na, mag-post lang ako ng teaser.
Ask them to subscribe muna.
Ay, oo.
Now.
Subscribe pala. May new channel ako. Okay, kain pa tayo. Ayaw awaya mong igsuon. Nalawala yung ngalan. Pero ayaw awaya mong igsuon. Anyway, Starmal is so cute. Like, ang dami kong... Is that Reina? Reina, hello! Bro. What's up, Reina? I miss you, bro. Guys, si Rain, dapat kasi magsama kami nung day na nag-live siya. Was that the 15th? But then, hindi na siya pumunta after because she was tired din naman. What up, Rain? What if in-invite kita, Rain? Say hi to Reina, guys. Ay, lag. Actually, dapat Bini concert. Pero yung una kong vlog na i-edit. Pero sabi ko, timeless kasi yung Bini concert. Yung Christmas special, tsaka Christmas ball. Hindi kasi pang Christmas siya. So, yun na lang unahin ko. And then, we'll do the Bini. And then, sunod-sunod na natin. So, ang dami ko palang vlog na. Wala lang. Nag-vlog lang ako pero nag-uusap lang kami. Or like, puro mukha namin. Wala pa akong broadcast channel. Wala akong broadcast channel na option. Let's eat, guys. Hala! Naningon, if pansinon ko ni mo Ate Jazz, kay mag-move on ako sa akong ex. Miss Cardiente. Oh, Mac Cardiente. Or MC Cardiente. Mag-move on ka na. Ay! I can see the comments na, guys. Naglalag yung comments. Naglalag yung comments. I can't see. Okay, the comments, they're not showing. I'm so sorry. Anyway, sige, what will I talk about na lang? Ano ba usually kung anong gusto niyong malaman? Pag nanonood ako na, alam niyo guys, I watch Miss Bella Padilla's live when she prepares for showtime. Wala lang, naaliw lang ako while she's doing her makeup. Tapos yung mga, like, what she talks about, like, her experiences, or wala lang, random. Nakaka-happy. Yes, wala akong makikitang comments. I don't know why. Is it new sa TikTok? Oh. Hi po, Miss Glenda. I will respond. I'm so sorry. Hello. I'm shy. I'm shy. Okay, nabalik na yung comments, guys. So sorry. Yes po, I will respond. And yes, I'll be so far sa March ASAP. Anyway, I enjoyed sa Star Mall. And then ang daming cute na Kim Pao na fans na they're so cute! As in, they're so cute. Bakit is nice, guys. It's a nice story about faith. And then, and it's Beauty. It's Ate Beauty Gonzalez. She's Bisaya also. So let's go Bisaya represent. Guys, yung vlog. Oh my gosh. Sa vlog ko na Christmas special, that was the time kasi na I met Tikala Estrada. So, nakikita dun, ebinidyuhan ni Kai. Kasi girl crush ko talaga siya, guys. Like, she's so classy, she's so eloquent, she's so like, top. So, parang nakita yung reaction ko dun na, hi, I'm a huge fan. Kasi nag-edit ako, so dun ko, oh my gosh, tama. May video pala dun. So, yun. Half cottage, as full ako. Yeah, I'm half British. Half British, half Filipino. Born and raised in Dumaguete City. Oh no! Bakit ito nasira? Okay. Anyway, I went to Lipa. Ay, not Lipa, Batangas. May nagsabi kasi yung Lipa. I went to Batangas. I don't know where yun in Batangas. But then I was there sa Maguindara Freedivers PH. Doon ako. Nagano ako, refresher ng freediving. So, parang the intro and everything sa freediving. Kasi diba, I'm a certified scuba diver. But I never really took certificate classes for freediving. Like, parang, naging part lang siya sa lesson ko sa scuba diving. And then, wala lang, nag-aano lang ako lagi. Yun. Parang, I just dive. Pero I did my refresher class sa Maguindara. So, shout out to Coach. to Doc. To Coach Doc and to Coach IJ. Thank you. So, gusto niyo mag-freediving, guys, punta kayo. Like, it's so fun. Ay! It's so fun. It's so masaya pag nag-dive ka. It feels like you're in another world. Walang ano dun. Walang noise. Pero so, grabe yung ano ko. Sunburn. Anyway, guys, you can ask me a question. Legit question ha. Wag yung mga questions na nonsense na question. Yeah, ROTC course sponsor ako before sa Siliman. Oh, yes po. I'm shy. Mag-reply po. Hindi ko alam saan part sa Batangas. My work, so my dad came here to the Philippines kasi nagta-travel siya sa world. Oh, ito lang nag-travel sa world. Pero technically, yun yung goal niya. Nagta-travel siya around. And then last country niya yung Philippines before siya babalik ng UK. And then, yun, pumunta siya here, naging diving. I don't know if dito na siya naging diving instructor sa Darwin or diving instructor na. Basta ang alam ko, dive master lang siya. And then nag-diving instructor na siya here. I mean, there sa Darwin before, in Negros Oriental. That's where they met my mom. they met because my mom was working there before sa resort. And then yun, naging dive instructor yung dad ko. My dad lived pa sa Malapascua for a while. So Malapascua was always an island for me na lagi akong pumupunta. So Malapascua was my Cebu. So nung dinala na ako sa Cebu na city proper, I'm like, this is not Cebu. Kasi nakasanayan ko yung Malapascua is the beach. So yeah. Doon. And then nag-business na yung dad ko after. Oh, my brother's watching. Nag-business na yung dad ko after. And then yun. My mom's a full-time mom. But nung open na kami ng business, una kasi business na, ay, sasabihin na naman na, ayaba. Pero before, there was still before, airsoft. Kaya na-open ng dad ko ulit yung airsoft sa Dumaguete. So we did airsoft, and then, so my mom did all the papers. And then, next is solar. So yun. Yes po, magre-reply na po sa IG. Sorry. Okay. Guys, I don't sing. I did voice lessons. I completed the basic, and I'm gonna learn more. Continue doing voice lessons ulit. Yes. Para at least malang hindi nakakahiya pag kumanta. Sister ni Miss Alice, mama. Miss Alice, Tita Lai. She's my aunt. I think they're cousins ng mom ko. I don't know how to speak Ilonggo, but I slightly understand. I kind of understand kasi yung best friends ko also sa foreign affairs na course rito. Tatlo sila Ilonggo. So, I had Marga, and then Mariela, and then Lawrence. So, sila tatlo Ilonggo. So, I understand. Naka-itchindi ako ng slight. Wow! Guys, maarte talaga ako. That's not something that insults me. So, ikaw lang masa-stress magko-comment. When magkikita tayo soon. There's always a right place and a right time for everything. And if we're meant to see each other, we're meant to see each other. So I hope to see you. Baka hindi mo na alam, naglalakad lang ako. Makikita tayo. Oh my gosh. Nag-send nga ako kay Rain ng may gumawa ng parang wallpaper kay Rain eh. Ay, wala. Nasa phone ko yun. Sinave ko yun. Nung sa banks ni Rain, sabi ko, Rain ang ganda nito. Kibadi. And then si Kai din, yung photo. Parang may photo na nakatayo siya na ganun. And then, sabi namin ni Rain, gumagalaw pa ba to? Sa group chat namin. Gumagalaw ka pa ba? Kai, saan pa pwede mabili tong Barbie na to? Naka full charge daw yun. Oh, hi, Min. That's so cute. Ring from my aunt, my grand aunt. This is ring Jaran. Hi, Kernis. Thank you. It's Ayin. She chose, oh, sorry, my chicken. She chose the design. Kasi guys, I'm such a basic girly. Like, gusto ko lang plain na nails. And then, pero syempre, it was Valentine's. So, yan. Para intim tayo. Eh, sabi ko, gusto ko ng Valentine's nails na hindi siya masyadong slap sa face na, hey, it's Valentine's. But yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna dye my hair again. I have to ask sina Ate Edith if it's time for me to dye my hair, if it's the same color. I don't know. I have to ask them. But yes. Hi Michelle, happy birthday. Feb 24 the birthday niya. May mga unta guys. Yes, nakadaan ako si Sikihor. Sikihor is one of my favorite places. Because like guys, if you go to Sikihor, you can just tour the entire island in a day. And then you get like a glimpse of the mountains, and then you can like enjoy the waterfalls, and then you can go to the beach also at the same time. So parang you get best of both worlds talaga in Sikihor. And it's near. It's just 30 minutes away from Dumaguete, like by boat, by ocean jet. 30 minutes. Hey. Hey. Ang galing niya pong kumanta. Feeling ko sarcastic yan. Pero guys, I would have to tell you, gorgeous, na yung tunay ka talang friends, sila lang talaga nakaalam kung ano yung voice ko, yung boses ko. As in like, sobrang pangit talaga. Ako acknowledge ko na yan na sobrang pangit ng boses ko. I don't even sing sa karaoke. I don't do that kasi alam nila na sobrang pangit ng voice ko. So, medyo nag-improve na talaga ako. So, thank you. Syempre, thank you to Teacher Julie for helping me. Pero nag-improve na siya, guys. So, at least, di ba? Ganun naman talagang life. If you wanna do something, if you wanna achieve something, work on it, improve, and then yun. A fave hobby ko now. I think what I enjoy doing now, hindi kasi ako talaga ma-social media. Like, to be fair, hindi ako ma-social media talaga na person. So, pero I just enjoy, nagde-Netflix lang ako. Nanonood lang ako ng movies or series. Nagre-rewatch lang ako ng series. That's what I do now. That's the me time that I have. I haven't been reading a book, so I wanna go back to reading a book. But then, yeah, yun. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Wala pa. Dati kasi kasi sa Dumaguete, everything's accessible. Like, if you wanna do sports, if you wanna go to the beach, it's very fast. If you wanna go to the mountains, if you wanna play football, do a football field, if you wanna swim, or you can swim there. Like, if not sa beach, like, swim talaga na pool, na train, you can also go there. So, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa Dumaguete. Na, slightly I took for granted. Though busy din naman kasi ako sa work. Pero, sa school before. And all the ganap. So, parang, I took it for granted. Now that I'm here, mas na-appreciate ko na yung life in Dumaguete na, okay, it was very simple, but it was really one of the best. It's the relaxation that, we all deserve. So, if you want to relax, you can go to Dumaguete. Sarap ng food also. And alam mo guys, wow, ang dami kong energy. When I went home, ang dami ng changes sa Dumaguete. Like, ang dami ng food places. May pepper lunch na kami dun. So I'm like, oh my gosh, may pepper lunch na. And then ang dami new, like, places to eat. Ang daming new low-rise buildings. So parang wow. Amazing. Nawala lang ako hindi lang ako nakauwi ng 1 year and a month. Pero ang daming changes. Oh, thank you. Movie reco. What did I love Incognito. It's not a movie, but I love Incognito. Like, me and my mom, we watch Incognito. And then, nung I did my nails, kay she played lang, sabi niya, Ate Just, what you watch on Netflix? Sabi ko, I'm watching Incognito. Nasa ano pa ako nun? Episode 6. The entire, as in natapos ko na episode 19 ata, while she was doing my nails. As in. So, watch Incognito. Yeah, I've been to Bohol. I've been to Bohol once. Kasama pa yung lola ko, my grandmother who passed away a few days ago. Grandma Margaret. Yeah, siya yung kasama ko when we went there. It was like the 4 of us, my dad, my mom, Raj died, and then my grandmother. And then naalala ko, nag-away pa yung grandmother ko and si Roger. Because my grandmother, she's very strict. Yung brother ko, hindi nakikinig. Like, hindi talaga siya nakikinig. If my grandmother kasi says something, ako, nakikinig ako, I listen to her, I do it. Or if sasabihin niya, don't do that, I don't do it. Pero yung kapatid ko, si Roger, most of you know, sobrang walang pakialam. Like, no, I'm not gonna listen to you. So, my one time, as in like, so yung parents ko, 1 room. And then me, my brother, and my grandmother, 1 room. Because of course, my grandma wants to spend time with us. So 1 room kami. Pero isang bed kami. And then, si Roger, inon niya yung TV. Kasi there was a phase na we couldn't sleep. Or ako, I think I recovered from it na. Si Roger couldn't sleep pag hindi on yung TV. So yun yung kasanayan namin. And then si Lola, for her, it's just a distraction. Plus, it was cartoon. So, parang sa isip niya, why are you watching trash? Mga ganon-ganon. Lola ko ha, hindi ako. Yung lola ko nagsabi. And then, si Roger, as in sobrang, bahala ka dyan. Like, I don't care if hindi ka makatulong, lola. I need to turn on the TV. So, yun ang kapatid ko. And then, my grandmother took the remote and then turned it off. Tapos, tinabi niya yung remote niya sa kanya. So, ginawa ni Roger, sobrang sneaky. Kinuha niya pa rin yung remote sa lola ko. Tapos, inon niya. And then, tinago niya yung remote. And galit na galit yung lola ko. Kasi nagpanic na siya. Kasi bakit nag-on yung TV? At takutin yung lola ko. So, parang natakot siya at first. But then, parang na-realize niya na it was just Roger. So, parang nainis siya. Basta, like, it was a conversation. And then, nagalit yung lola ko. And then, my lola wanted to book another room. Para hindi niya na makatabi hindi na niya katabi kasi sa Roger daw. Pati like, how Roger eats, inis yung lola ko. Roger, why do you, sabi pa ng lola ko before, Roger, why do you use your hands to eat? Like, use your fork and knife. Tapos sumagot lang yung dad ko na, Mom, of course, you have to use your hands. And it's a Filipino thing, di ba? It's a Filipino thing na talaga na we use our hands. Kaso lang, nasa resort kami. Yung lola ko ayaw. But anyway, ang dami kong funny stories pag si Roger and lola ko. Because they're like Tom and Jerry. Hindi talaga sila best of friends ng lola ko. Like, ang dami niyang comment pag si Roger. And then si Roger is like unbothered, like, whatever. No, I won't listen to you. Ganon yung kapatid ko. Ang hangang. Color ng eyes ko? Dark brown? I don't know. Guys, I don't even have time for my own social media account because I don't indulge much on social media or in social media. Tapos may time pa ako maging ibang tao or maging account just to throw hate. Really? I'm not that. If you know me, you know that I'm not that person. Hindi nga ako nagre-respond sa mga friends ko. Ang tagal ko nga mag-respond. Tapos mag-aano pa ako. I have a life too, you know. Aside from whatever you see. Oh? Hello mga Cebu. I don't know when ako ulit babalik ng Dumaguete, but hopefully. Happy birthday. Yes, it's coffee. It's sea salt latte. Yes, Bisaya ko. Kasi mangganahan nga. Hindi ako magaling sa basketball. Like, I think kita naman yun sa laro namin sa loob ng PBB. Hindi ako magaling mag-basketball. Hindi din frustrated volleyball player ako. Char. Gusto ko dati mag-volleyball. Pero hindi. So, nag-football na lang ako. Nag-football ako and then nag-swimming din ako. Mag-ano lang ako guys today. Mag-cheerleader na lang ako guys. Grabe yung buhok ko. Pero yun na lang, mag-cheer na lang ako. Yun na naman ginagawa ko rin sa kapatid ko eh. Pag naglalaro siya, nag-cheer lang din ako. Oh, name a Beanie member. Ang dami. Nika, Aya, Jo, Gwen, Colette, Staku. Sino bang na-miss out ko? Nika, Aya, Maloy. I think complete na. Mika, Aya, Jo, Gwen, Stacy, Maloy, Colette. Uy! Sheena. Oh, Sheena. You know what? We aspire to be like Sheena. Like how Sheena dances. Siyempre, i-cheer ko lahat. Sino ba? Kung sino maglalaro, i-cheer ko. My favorite scent for me, sa sarili ko, is if it's vanilla na medyo, but not the vanilla na sobrang sweet na vanilla. Yung sakto lang. My favorite scent ako before na vanilla na parang, nakalimutan ko. Babalikan ko na lang kayo. Pero yun, ayoko masyado ng sobrang florally. Yung mga sobrang floral na scent. Na sobrang sweet na feeling mo lalanggamin ka na. Pero I like floral scents also. But gusto ko yung mga, alam mo yung parang mga baby powder. Yung fresh lang. Na ganon. But yun. Wait guys, I will kasi. Wait guys. Oh, so cute. Yeah, tapos na yung acting workshop namin for that, but we're gonna do acting workshop pa. More. So we're gonna do one this secret. Basta we're gonna do acting workshop pa. pa. So, yun. So we're gonna do it soon. We're gonna do one this week. And then, yan. It's so fun. Okay, i-end ko na yan na bed kasi magbibihis na ako. I'll be there sa March ASAP because it's the anniversary celebration. I mean, we started na the celebration Feb. Pero yeah, abangan natin yan. Aray ko. Kasi hindi ako makapag-get ready with me kasi wala akong dalang makeup. Wala. Nag-skincare na ako kanina. Tapos yun lang. I'll just change and then mag-eat lang. Eat na naman! Sabi ng coach ko, napaka-spoiled mo sa food. Kasi kumakain ako. Hindi kasi strict yung coach. Hindi strict. Kailan ka magda-dive ulit? Pag may time na guys na mahaba na time. Hey. Ito mahaba. Di kasi parang may mga in-betweens pa rin. May mga in-betweens ka na, you know, like, for me to be good in the craft that I'm in, I have to really work hard and do workshops and learn the craft and really take my time. Yun. So, if you don't see me, it's most probably because I'm working on something for myself, for this craft. There are times kasi, parang nasa outside world na kasi kami na, plus, problem ko talaga siya even before na hindi talaga ako ma-update on social media. Like, it takes years, it takes months for me to update on social media. So, guess, pag tiyaga ko na yung nagsustory ako or nagpo-post ako on Instagram. Kasi, as in, like, I try, of course, kasi gusto ko. Pero, and because it's for you guys, especially sa lahat ng gorgeous, nakikita ko naman may mga nagsisend sa akin na screenshot na what do you call this, na miss ka na daw, miss ka na niya. So, mag-update ka na. And I don't really have a lot of photos kasi hindi ako ma-type na laging nagpipicture. So, I mean, I take a photo. Kunwari, if we're bonding, I take a photo of that. I take a photo of mga ganap, selfie, things like that. But there are things that we can't post also publicly sometimes. So, I just keep it for myself. For memories, yung ganon. So, yes. I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying. I'm doing another vlog. As in, I'm not just gonna say kailan kayo post. Masya-shock na lang kayo. May teaser akong ipapalabas na tonight. Magpo-post na si Jazz. So, yun. My lowest. I just buy my jeans sa Zara. You know what? It has been one of, before lang, parang when I was there, I think high school, insecurity ko yung lips ko. Because it's very thin. Because, I don't know if it's a British thing, na thin lang talaga, like sobrang small ng lips. Because my grandma has small lips, my dad has small lips, my mom hindi naman sobrang malaki yung lips. Pero ganun, like my uncle, my dad's brother, my cousins, Lottie and Maddie, small din yung lips. So I think it's just in our blood Nothing yung lips. So, dati medyo naging insecurity ko siya. Pero, wala. After I embraced it lang, na ganun talaga lips ko. So, nagli-lip liner lang. Pero sa lip filler, takot kasi ako sa mga inject, ganun. Takot nga ako sa CBC. So, yun. We don't know in the future, but ito, I'm okay with lip liner. And, yun. Patingin ng nails. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I wanna go to Davao. Thank you. Today, I'm gonna focus on editing vlog kasi at least may time ako. Kasi dapat may workshop ako tonight. Pero, naging sick si Coach Alex. So, mamumove siya into another date. Okay. Actually, so guys, height reveal, I'm 5'4" on a good day. Do you speak Bisaya? Yes, because I am Bisaya. Because I'm Bisaya. Ay, nafe-feel niya na i-end ko yung call. Sabi niya, mo i-end at just i-end ko muna. Babalik lang tayo mamaya. Wow. No, kasi mag-i-edit ako ng vlog. So, mag-i-edit ako ng vlog after lunch. And then, yun. Siguro mga around, ano bang oras gusto nyo mag-live ako later? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako, kulat ako when I was a year old, I think. Like, yung parang dito lang sa baba. And then, naging straight na talaga yung hair ko ever since. And then, siguro it's the, like, pag-color ng hair. Asa ka ron, ma'am? Secret, ma'am. Bulong ako. Guys, nakakahiya kasi mag-live sa IG kasi sometimes nag-notify siya. Eh, di ba may mga follow ako ng mga artist, tapos ba naka-follow din sa akin. Huwag na-notify sa kanila. Nahihiya ako. Hindi ko kaya. At least dito sa TikTok, wala masyado. So, ay, dapat na mag-ready na ako, guys. Pero nag-post pa. So, yun, nakakahiya mag-live sa IG. Pero gusto ko na mag-transition na IG live. Do I want? Wait, guys. Okay. So guys, mag-ano na ako, end na ako in a while. Like in 5 minutes. Balik na lang tayo mamaya. Kapag nag-hike, yung pang-hike na shoes, pero kasi, may bago si Vans na shoes na pwede pang-hike, which we all got. I think, kumuha kami lahat, kami 4. Na ginamit ko din siya sa gym. Di ko alam kung magpapa-hair color ako ulit. We'll see. Ooh, happy Fiesta Bayawan. Ganda na ring. Thank you. When ka balik og sikihor? Hindi ko alam. Gusto ko na magsikihor. Yes, ayaw ng mom ko nang pa-black ako na hair. There was a phase na nagbalayage ako, like parang ganito. And then nag-transition ako to dark brown. Na parang naging black siya. Ayaw ng mom ko. Hindi. Sabi niya, I don't like your hair. Bakit ka nang pa-black? Sabi ko, Mom, it's not black, it's dark brown. Sabi niya, no. I don't like. So, yun. Do I want to try skydiving?
Yes.
No, gusto ko lang sa dagat. Nakakatakot. I want to. It's part of my bucket list, but it's something that I'm really scared. Kasi I have fear of heights pala. But I'm into like mga roller coasters, yung mga ganon, the pang adrenaline na rides. Pero may fear of heights pala ako. Na-discover ko lang siya nung ano. Guys, natural po yung kilay ko. Putol nga, di ba? Putol kilay ko. Pero, thick talaga yung kilay ko. Pero putol, ganyan talaga. Kasi putol din kilay ng dad ko, putol din kilay ng mom ko. Short hair. I've always wanted short hair, but my mom doesn't like me with short hair. Short hair, short hair. I always wanted short hair, but ever since before, bawal ako mag-short hair. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the live. Thank you so much for the quick chika. I will see you later. Tonight. May dimple daw ako.
Yeah.
May dimple ako na pilit. Lumalabas lang pag ano. Sometimes. Anyway, bye-bye guys. Thank you so much for your time. For staying. Thank you for the love and support. I will do live again later. Kasi mag-i-edit ako ng vlog after. Wow, the dedication. Kasi popost ko na to. I'm not, na-prove right na ako ni Nadila ni na Therese na hindi ko talaga siya na-post last year. So, ipopost ko na lang kasi Feb na. So, bye everybody. Bye. Here's my nails. Bye everybody. I'll see you later. Not sure what time, but maybe tonight or like 5 or 6. I don't know. Bye. Thank you so much. Eat well. Sa mga nagsustudy, study well. Huwag mag-absent. Sa mga gustong mag-move on na kayo. Life is short. Ganun lang. Life is short for you to be stuck in one place. So, move forward tayo always. Bye. I love you. Bye. Move forward tayo always. Bye. I love you. Bye. Move forward tayo always. Bye. I love you. Bye. Move forward tayo always. Bye. Move forward tayo always. Bye. I love you. Bye. Move forward tayo always. Bye. Bye.